In our daily lives, the causes of a fire exist everywhere. Fires occur suddenly and in an instant, endanger important lives and properties of the building. At the scene of a fire, rapid alert, quick evacuation, and firefighting activities are required. We at Panasonic provide highly reliable and highly functional fire alarm products and services to prevent the risk of fire. In 1918, Panasonic was founded in Japan, continuing the business for more than 100 years. The fire alarm business started since 1965, accumulating knowledge and experience. And for the global business, we have more than 30 years of presence based in Europe. Under EN standards, we are expanding our business from Europe to the Middle East and Asia through our global network, obtaining the necessary certifications. Panasonic's global business is supported by our product planning, R&D, and manufacturing carried out mainly in 2 locations, Malmö in Sweden and the Kansai area in Japan. In the product planning and R&D stage, we communicate closely with our global partners in each region and plan suitable solutions for each market. Based on planning, Panasonic updates systems with sophisticated design, high functionality, and easy installation. In the manufacturing stage, we realize production with both high efficiency and reliability by integrating cutting-edge facilities and well-organized manual procedures. Our products are all inspected one by one, not only by a machine, but by trained experts to ensure reliable quality. Furthermore, Panasonic manufactures products under a controlled environment. This is how we deliver our products with ensured quality. To ensure both safety of customers and convenience for our system users, Panasonic will keep updating products and will support you continuously, now and in the future.
Panasonic.